Welcome to our full guide on Realpage Onesite 2025. In this video, we will explore how this powerful tool enhances property management. Let's delve into the key features and functionalities of Onesite 2025, making property management more efficient. Join me as I guide you through the user interface of Onesite, allowing you to make the most out of its dashboard. Setting up and managing tenant accounts is a breeze with Onesite. Let's take a look at how it's done. Efficiently handling online payments and billing has never been easier. Here's how to manage it with Onesite. Onesite offers fantastic communication tools for engaging with residents effectively. Let's explore these features. Utilize reporting and analytics to gain valuable insights into property performance with Onesite. Onesite integrates smoothly with other Realpage products and services, enhancing your property management experience. Let's discuss some best practices to optimize your usage of Onesite for maximum effectiveness. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide helps you in mastering Realpage Onesite. Explore the resources below for further learning.